I definitely had this huge dream of being an artist. My dad's an artist, and he definitely passed his creative side on to me. I've always had this connection to art, and I always saw things in a different way, and I found beauty in things that, people thought were crazy. Um, and it was really important to me that I grew up to be like him, and I had, this connection with art, writing, and that kind of stuff. And it my grades were great at the time and everything. I was doing really well in school, but when I started using and when I started really struggling with mental health issues, I wasn't thinking about that anymore. I wasn't thinking, I wasn't thinking far in the future, and I really didn't have a plan for myself. I was thinking in the moment very much so. I had no concern for my future. I wasn't worried about how things were going to go.